Hello, my dear friends. I am Dr. Wasim I Khan, Assistant Professor, Shri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani, Maharashtra, India. So, in today's lecture, we will discuss a second part of Positive School of Criminology, and we will discuss in this particular part the concept which is explained by the Enrico Ferri. So, Enrico Ferri's point of view we will discuss in this particular lecture. So, let's start the topic. Positive School of Criminology, and in today's lecture we will discuss the point of view of Enrico Ferri. In the previous lecture we have discussed the Cesare Lombroso, who has suggested a certain categories of criminal. So in the positive school, the second supporter of positive school is Enrico Ferri. He got birth in the year of 1856 and he died in the year of 1928. Ferri found that geographical, psychological, social and economical factors are important aspects. So we are discussing the schools of criminology, and in the different schools, the different criminologies suggest that these are the reason behind the criminal behavior of person. Enrico Ferri has suggested that geographical factors are responsible in some cases behind the criminal behavior of person. The person residing in a particular area, and that area may also be one of the reason, according to Enrico Ferri, to commit an offense. Second one is psychological factors. According to Enrico Ferri, the person who is suffering from psychological disorder may commit an offense due to the psychological disorder. So psychological factor is also responsible behind the criminal behavior of person. Social and economical factors. Sometimes the society itself instigate a person to commit an offense, and sometimes the economical factors plays a very important role. If the person is suffering from starvation, he doesn't have a sufficient means to fulfill his basic needs due to the poor condition, because he is having not a sufficient money. So in that particular situation, if he is in such a condition that if he has not committed an offense, he may die. Under such circumstances, he may commit an offense. And why he commits an offense? Due to economic condition. Sometimes the economical factors plays a very important role behind the behavior of person. Criminals is not born criminal, yet there are several deformities or anomalies right from birth, which if not eradicated by treatment may lead to crime. So according to Enrico Ferri, criminals are not a born criminal. But he says that there are a certain physical abnormality which exists in the person by birth, and if they have not eradicated by treatment in a particular time, it may lead a person towards a criminality. The person is having a certain physical abnormality by birth, and if those physical abnormality removed, eradicated, treated in a particular time, he may not commit an offense. But if that particular physical abnormality has not eradicated or treated within the time, he may commit an offense. That is the point of view of Enrico Ferri. Crime is the synthetic product of three main factors. Ferri says that there are three main factors, and the crime is a synthetic product of those three main factors. The first one is physical or geographical. The person's physical type, physics of a person, and geographical condition in which the person is living. It is one of the factors. Second one is anthropological, anthropology of person. Third one is psychological or social. These factors in all together are responsible behind the criminal behavior of a person. If the person behaves well, behind the good behavior of person also these are the three factors, and behind the criminal behavior of a person also these are the three main factors according to Enrico Ferri. He firmly believed that a criminal is a creature of his own environment. The firm belief of Enrico Ferri was that the criminal is a creature of his own environment. The person lives in a particular environment, and that particular environment plays a very important role behind the behavior of a person. If a person commits an offense, it means the environment creates a person. criminal. The environments made a person criminal, according to Enrico Ferri. He classified criminal into 5. There are 5 categories of criminals suggested by the Enrico Ferri. The first one is insane criminal, second one is born criminal, third one is habitual criminal, fourth one is occasional criminal, and fifth one is criminal by passion. So already the Enrico Ferri carry forward the types of Cesare Lombroso. Cesare Lombroso has suggested 4 types of criminal: insane, born, habitual, occasional criminal, and one more category of criminal added by the Enrico Ferri. So we will discuss that particular added category of Enrico Ferri. We have already discussed the 4 category in the previous lecture. If you have not watched that particular lecture, go through that lecture in which I have already discussed in detail the categories, 4 categories. Criminal by passion means criminals by passion are those who involve in commission of crime due to impulse, anger or jealousy and feel repentance in future. So criminal by passion commits an offense due to the jealousy. Out of anger, they used to commit an offense. They can't control their impulse, and due to that, they commit an offense, and after commission of offense, they feel repentance in future. So out of jealousy, out of anger, the person commits an offense, and that's why Enrico Ferri put that particular criminals in the category of criminal by passion. The social economic factors, according to Ferri, consist of. Ferri says that there are social economic factors which are responsible behind the criminal behavior of person, and those environmental and social and economic factors are: density of population is one of the reasons behind the criminal behavior of a person. If the person commits an offense in the dense population, he may not be arrested by the police. He may not be identified by the police easily because there are many peoples. Density of population is there and the chance of identification is less, and that's why density of population may be one of the reasons, according to Enrico Ferri, behind the criminal behavior of a person. Second one is opinion, public opinion. Sometimes public opinion plays a very important role, and due to the public opinion also the person commits an offense. If opinion of the public will be like that, he is a criminal, he is a criminal type, he is a criminal type, then to overcome from that particular factor, the person may commit an offense. He may think that each and every person used to tell me as a criminal, then he commits an offense due to that factor only, due to the public opinion only, and that's why public opinion may be one of the reasons, according to Enrico Ferri. Third one is religion. Diversity of religion is one of the essence of India, but that religion may also be one of the reasons behind the criminal behavior of a person, because follower of each religion wants to protect their religion, and in that particular process they used to commit an offense. So religion may be one of the reasons. Family circumstances. If the parents are quarreling each other throughout the day and night, then it will affect the behavior, it will affect the personality of the child, and this may lead a child towards the criminality. Industrial pursuit. The person from the rural area used to migrate urban area in search of work, and the number of people come from the number of areas, and when they come together, differences of opinion will be there, and due to which also the person used to commit an offense. So industrial pursuit is also one of the reason. The system of education. According to Enrico Ferri, the system of education may also be one of the reason. If the equality is not maintained in the educational institution, if there is a partiality, then it may lead, if the injustice caused to any student, then that particular student may lead towards the criminality. So education, system of education may be one of the reason. Alcoholism. The person who is under the influence of liquor cannot differentiate between right and wrong, and this factor may lead a person towards the criminality. Economic and political condition. Sometimes if the person is poor, and he is having not a sufficient money to fulfill his basic needs, so for fulfilling his basic needs he may commit an offense. Sometimes a political condition, political leaders used to instigate a person who are from the different religion. The political leaders used to instigate and they are quarreling with each other, and that's why also the crime ratio is increasing day by day. Sometimes the public administration and justice and police is also one of the reason, according to Enrico Ferri, behind the criminal behavior of person. So this is the point of view of Enrico Ferri. I hope you understand this topic. If you understand this topic, please subscribe my channel, hit the notification button, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.